Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something special for all the sneakerheads out there. We're unboxing one of the most anticipated sneakers, the Jordan 4 Retro Black Canvas. Not only will we check out the design, comfort, and build quality, but I'll also tell you about an amazing website where you can get these kicks at a great discount. So stay tuned, and don't forget to check the description for all the details. Let's get straight into it. Open the box. Wow! Right off the bat, the Jordan 4 Retro Black Canvas has such a sleek and stylish look. The black canvas upper gives it a premium yet rugged feel, making it super versatile for any outfit. The gray tonal suede on the forefoot and eyelets adds a nice contrast. And let's not forget the crimson red flight logo on the tongue, giving it that extra pop of color. If you're a sneakerhead or a fashion enthusiast looking for top-tier quality without breaking the bank, ReplicaStore.cc is a must-visit destination. Specializing in high-quality sneakers and fashion items, this online store offers an impressive selection of the latest and most sought-after styles. Whether you're after iconic sneaker releases, premium streetwear, or stylish accessories, ReplicaStore.cc ensures that every item meets high standards of craftsmanship and detail. What sets them apart is their commitment to authenticity in design. Each piece is crafted to mirror the real deal with precision, from the stitching to the materials, giving you that luxury feel at a fraction of the price. Beyond their incredible product range, ReplicaStore.cc is all about customer satisfaction. They offer affordable pricing, making it easier than ever to stay on top of the latest fashion trends without overspending. The durable canvas material means these are built to last, and the suede overlays add a touch of elegance. The air sole cushioning in the heel ensures that every step is comfortable, whether you're rocking these on the court or the streets. Plus, the two-tone polyurethane midsole gives you that classic Jordan comfort and stability. And, of course, the Jumpman logo on the heel just makes it even more iconic. There's a website currently running an exclusive sale on these Jordan 4 Retro Black Canvas sneakers. You can find the link in the description below along with all the details, including their social media pages and contact information. This is your chance to snag these sneakers at a discounted price, so don't miss out. Just click the link, check out the sizes available, and make your purchase before they sell out. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to See My Review for more awesome